Welcome to the Rusted Garden Homestead. In about 2 minutes, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know to set up your own grow light station. And mine's set up right here. It's really for starting hundreds of plants. I'm going to show you how you can set something up if you just want to, start maybe 2 flats of trays like that. It's really easy. So a couple things you need to know, and then I'm going to take you right to Walmart and show you how I purchased these. So you want to pick up, generally speaking, those are grow lights that have 3200 lumens. Lumens is the intensity of light. You want 3000 or higher. At Walmart you can find these at 3000, 4000, 5000. You also want the color of the light to be daylight. That's Kelvin rating. That's somewhere between 5100 Kelvin and 6500 Kelvin. That's the maximum you can go. That's what you're looking for. And look at, there's 45 years of life. This is a really nice set of LEDs to get started. So let's head over to Walmart. Let me just show you what I picked up. I'm at Walmart and I just wanted to show you how to save money, set up your own grow light station. So these are basic grow lights, 2 feet long. They are $39 right there. Skip over that. Come over here to the 4-foot lights. You can see 3200 lumens. That's what I recommend. Pull this out. 45 years of life. Daylight. That's the color of light you want in Kelvin. Lasts a really long time. And that light's only $14.97. That's a 4-foot light. You can also, drop down a level and you can see for $21, you can get 4000 lumens. 45 years of life, mimics daylight, that's the Kelvin rating. Now, you can see, don't buy grow lights, buy these shop lights. You'll save a lot of money. You want to make sure your shop light has a plug. You're going to want to get a timer. I recommend for when you're starting seeds, for when the plant breaks the surface, leave the lights on for about 14 hours for that first week or 2. After the plant's been growing about 2 weeks, you can cut the lights down to 12 hours. After another week or 2 of growing, you can cut them down to 10 hours. So a wire shelf is best because you can hang these links right to it, this chain. And that's a 4-foot wide shelf, 18 inches deep, holds those trays perfectly. I sell all those trays at my seed shop. And the setup is real easy. You basically take the chain, you drop it in like that. This is going to be able to hang. You take this and you just put it to wherever you want it to go. See if I can do it one-handed. Just like that. And you would hang that right on your shelf. The amount of distance you want to start, somewhere between 2 and 4 inches. The higher the lumens rating, the more space you can put between the lights and the seed starts. So when they're first germinating, you do want the lights on. You want the germinating plants to hit the light. So somewhere between 2 and 4 inches, that's perfect. You can raise the lights higher like I have down there for when your plants get bigger. The amount of light isn't so important. When the light is most important is when you're germinating and breaking the surface. This is everything you need to know to really set up your own grow light station. Hope you give it a try. It will save you a lot of money in the long run. Thanks for watching, and please check out my seed shop at therustedgarden.com.